Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust sensitivity setting in CarX Street. To adjust sensitivity setting in CarX Street, first of all, launch open the CarX Street game on your device. Once you're inside the lobby screen, go to the upper left corner and tap on the Settings button. From the expanded menu, click on Controls at the top. Inside Controls, look for Sensitivity option. To increase the sensitivity setting, drag the slider towards the right. To decrease it, you can drag it towards the left. The higher the sensitivity, the sharper and faster steering will happen. If you lower the sensitivity, it means slower and smoother steering. Adjust by little until it feels comfortable to you. After you are done, you can exit the screen and start a race and check if that works for you. So that is from where you can find your sensitivity setting in CarX Street. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.